This is a tutorial for the Affordable Learning Louisiana or LOUIS page. We'll start on the Services tab. We'll go to Affordable Learning and then Affordable Learning Programs, and then finally to LOUIS OER Commons. There are a couple of ways that you can search this page. You can use the search boxes that are on the top, but you also can look at the OER collections towards the bottom. And they are grouped by subject, so you can just choose one. I'm going to choose English. You can search in the box, or you can just look at the collections below. And I'm looking at women's literature, and there are different collections underneath that you can use. So now I'm going to take you back to the home page of LOUIS OER Commons and show you how to search using the boxes. For my keyword, I'm going to use biology. My subject area is going to be natural science. Education level, graduate, professional. And I'm going to skip course alignment and search. And this is what it looks like. It defaults to relevance. If that's not what you want, you can change it to something else like date added. And on the left-hand side, you can actually do some more limiting. So depending on what you want, you can limit by the education level, material type, the licensing. That's a really important one. Just in case you are looking at an OER and it's not the type of licensing that you want. You can do content source. Primary user might be useful. So is it a teacher or is it a student that you're looking for the OER? And then we're just going to search on one. But before we do that, let's also make sure that we're paying attention again to what the licensing is. And it gives you a nice description if you hover over the I. So very quickly you can tell if this OER is going to work for you as far as the licensing. And now I'm going to choose one. I'm going to choose Essentials of Oceanography. There's a nice description in the center of the page. On the right hand side, there are going to be tags, so you can look very quickly at what different subject areas have been using this OER. The course alignments are just courses that have been used with this OER. If there were any listed, you would see them right here. Make sure also that you create an account for this page, or if you have one, that you're logged in, because you want to be able to save this OER into a folder. And let's just look at this one. So the very first thing we see is the course homepage. She has the different areas at the top that you can search on. If we look at the syllabus, there's the instructor, and below her is all the information that you're going to need for the syllabus for your students. The orientation materials are going to be next. And then right here are all the different lessons. So if we just click on one, we can look at the different lessons here. And this is about Venus, Earth, and Mars. And if you scroll down, there's a lot more information. So all of these different tabs and places you can look will help you decide whether you're going to use this for your class. If you have questions, contact LOUIS or your OER librarian. For Xavier University of Louisiana faculty, please contact Felicia Folks at fulks@xula.edu.